Guys, today we will talk about the TikTok application and I will show you how to add effects on the TikTok video after this video was recorded. So guys, right now we are on the profile page on the TikTok, and to create a new TikTok video, let's tap on the plus icon at the bottom panel of the screen. I will record some video as an example right now. Okay, super. Let's tap on the check mark here. And I thought that a lot of people are very worried about that they didn't use effects they wanted for the video creation, and right now they don't have any effects on the TikTok, but it's not a problem, it's not an issue, because right now I will show you how to add effects after this video was recorded on the TikTok. So we are right now on the edit mode, and after clicking on this arrow at the right bar of the screen, we will get this effect option. Let's click on it one time. It's very cool because here we will get a lot of different effects you can add for your TikTok. For example, I want to start it with the shadow one. Also, you can correct the duration of the selected effect, and you can go, for example, to another type of the effect. And right now, I want to use this option. I'm sorry, something went wrong. Let's click on it. Okay, so you can also manage the selected added effect. You can correct its duration, you can correct it at the time of the start and the end point. And after, guys, I also want to add the last effect, for example this one. So let's check the result. If you think that right now we have only the visual effects and emotions, no, because really we can get there a lot of popular and trending options like some masks, some effects you can use as the usual effect when TikTok creation. So guys, I hope that right now you know how to activate a lot of different effects when your TikTok is ready. So guys, don't forget that you can tap on the next to publish this TikTok. You can also add some title for it, select the cover, tag people, change location, add some link, as on the usual video posting. So guys, I hope that this tutorial was informative and you can check something for yourself. You can right now add effects after your video was recorded, and I hope that you will get likes to this tutorial, and don't forget also to subscribe to our channel to find even more cool guides about the TikTok and other programs. Goodbye guys, good luck!